Okay, my name's Alyssa,
My name is Vega.
and today we're going to be talking about what the drought is all about. So we all know that there's a drought going on and climate change is causing that. So what the definition of the drought is a decrease in rainfall, which results in a decrease of water supply. And we all know that we need to conserve water by not watering our lawns and taking shorter showers. So instead of basically rattling off information about stuff you already know about the drought, we decided to go more into agriculture. And we'll talk about that later in the presentation, why we chose to do agriculture. But for now, we'll just talk about our three main goals.
And those were to educate ourselves so we could educate other people about the drought, and also try to find solutions to the drought relating to agriculture. So, according to InHabitat, 70% of global water usage is used for agriculture, and that's because crops like almonds and tomatoes use a lot of water to grow. And especially in California, there are a lot of non-native species that are farmed, and those use a lot of water as well because of the type of soil and the way that the plants are irrigated and stuff like that. So.
And then also factory farming is a big part of agriculture. When we think about agriculture, we think about where our fruits and vegetables come from, but factory farming is a huge part, and if you don't know what that is, it's where a bulk of your meat products come from. And a lot of water is used in this, anything from the water that is provided for the animals to drink, to water the crops that the animals eat, cleaning up filth in the factory farms, transport trucks, and slaughterhouses. It uses a lot of water. And according to Farm Sanctuary, it takes an estimated 1,581 gallons of water to produce 1 pound of beef. So you'd honestly be better off going one day without eating meat than not showering for a whole week.
So one of the solutions we found was desalination, and we got that from the organization Water Use It Wisely. You should check out their website. They have a bunch of water-saving ideas. But desalination is where you take ocean water, you just take out all the minerals so it becomes fresh water. You can drink it and water your plants with it. The main problem is that the machinery is really expensive, and all the salt and minerals that are left over have no place to go, and it's really bad for the environment. And the other one we found was drip irrigation, and that was actually a comment on one of our surveys. And it's a really efficient way to water plants. When you use sprinklers, there's a lot of water loss due to evaporation, but drip irrigation completely eliminates that problem, so you can save money and water.
So one of the biggest tools we ended up using during our project was a survey. So we asked simple questions like, how long do you spend in the shower, or what do you do to conserve water? And that's not really what we ended up focusing on, but the main question that really helped us was, what do you think is the biggest contributing factor to the drought? And as you can see, more than 50% knew that it was climate change. So that's why we decided to talk about agriculture, because everybody knows that the drought is being caused by climate change. So we wanted to talk about something that may not necessarily be causing the drought, but may be worsening it, and that we need to be informed about. And so we had a few problems. We thought we were going to interview people one-on-one, but that didn't really end up working. The survey was just efficient enough for us to reach a larger group, so we didn't really need to end up doing that.
And the other problem we had was managing time. The drought has so many different aspects, so we didn't find our focus on agriculture until later. And if we had found that focus earlier on, we probably would have gotten to all the big ideas we had planned out earlier.
Okay.
So,
Thank you.